Hello everybody, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be filming a London shopping haul. So basically a few days ago in the summer holidays, when I'm filming this now, I went to London and it was literally so good, and I did buy quite a few things. I didn't buy loads though, so I thought I'd also include a couple of things which I've bought recently over the past couple of weeks. So yeah, about half of this is from London, the other half is from shopping elsewhere. And before we do get into the video, I want to say that I'm not trying to brag or boast in any way, shape or form. I just have to put that disclaimer in because a lot of you hate on me for like bragging or showing off, when literally I am only doing this video because you guys love watching my haul videos, and I am very lucky to get these things, and I did buy like most of them with my own money. I promise I'm not spoiled. I just save up my money for like bigger things than smaller things, if you know what I mean. Literally I'm so careful with my money, like I never spend it. Like I only buy sale stuff because I am really careful about saving up. So when I went to London I did buy a couple of expensive things, but I have worked for them and I have saved up over a long amount of time. With that disclaimer said, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So I'm going to start off with my favourite thing in the haul. So I didn't actually buy this in London, I ordered it from the Apple store. Literally no one understands how long I've wanted this laptop for. Like ever since I started watching YouTube and seen like people edit on this laptop, I've wanted it, and that is like 4 years or like 5 years. Yeah, I've always dreamed of getting it and I finally got round to purchasing one. So I bought a MacBook Air. This is the MacBook Air 13-inch silver. Yeah, I'm just gonna get it out to show you. So I also bought this case to go with it, which I'll talk about in a minute, but this is just what my MacBook looks like. It's literally just so beautiful, like I love it. And I basically bought this for editing YouTube videos on and for schoolwork because I'm going into year 10, which means I'm starting my GCSEs. So this will be really handy to do like work and essays on and stuff like that. So I'm literally so grateful, and I did pay for half of this, and then my parents very kindly paid for the other half because they wanted me to get a laptop for my GCSEs. I can't thank my parents enough for paying for half of it, and I can't thank you guys enough because my YouTube money did pay for like half of this, so I'm very grateful. At the moment I'm using it to edit my videos, and then when I go back to school, which I will have done when this goes up, I will be doing some homework on it and things like that. So yeah, I bought that. I'm not going to say how much it is because I feel like that will come across as I'm bragging, as it is a lot of money and I don't want to say it like out loud, if you know what I mean. But I basically got it in an offer where I got a free pair of Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. I just thought that was such a good offer, so that's why I decided to buy the MacBook at the time I did. Like, I wanted it for like ages, but as soon as I saw this deal, I really wanted the Beats as well. I thought I'd take advantage of the offer while it's on because Apple don't have many offers normally, so I actually love them. I've been using them so much to listen to music, and I'll just get them out for you. So they come in a little black case, and the actual headphones look like this. They're actually so beautiful. Wait, let me focus them. They're just like rose gold, and they've got like rose gold shiny bits on them. And what I like about these headphones is that it blocks out like the outside noise, so like when I put them on, like I can barely hear myself speak right now. So yeah, and as I showed you earlier on in the video, I actually bought a case for my laptop because I really don't want it to get scratched, and I'll probably be taking it to school sometimes, and obviously I don't want to get it bashed about in my school bag. Yeah, I bought this marble laptop case from a website called Coconut Lane, and I'm actually like a coconut queen, they call it, for this website, so I get 50% off. And I've got a code for you guys. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I've been like a promoter person for them for like 6 months or something, but I'll leave the code on the screen, and I'm not sure how much you get off. It might be 10-15% off, or maybe 20. I'll put like the code and how much discount you get, but they basically sell like MacBook cases, MacBook skins, phone cases, makeup bags and everything like that. So yeah, they're so really cute things, so I'll link to them down below. Okay, so I'm now going to move on to what I actually bought in London. So the first place that I went to was Victoria's Secret Pink. I love this shop, but the underwear is just too like expensive for me to buy myself, so my mum very kindly treated me to 2 bras. I've barely got any bras left as I've grown out of them, so I got some new ones, and this is like an early Christmas present from my mum, so it will count to my Christmas present. But I'm going to show you them, so if you don't want to see them, just skip past. But I know a lot of my viewers are girls, so they'll probably want to know what they look like. So the first one that I got looks like this, and it's just like a khaki green kind of colour, and it says pink all over the like cups, and then on the band it says pink, which I really like. Yeah, I got this one, love this one. And that's a t-shirt bra. And then the other one which I got is a wireless one, because these are so comfy, literally love them. So it looks like this. It's grey and it says pink all over it again, and then you can't really see, but on the band it says pink in black. So yeah, I love this one as well. And these are normally £29 each, but we got them on offer for 2 for £39, which makes them like £19 each, which is quite good for Victoria's Secret. And yeah, as I said, they are an early Christmas present because my mum knew I needed some bras before Christmas. Thank you so much, Mum, for these, because I know you're watching it. I love you lots. The next shop which I'm going to move on to is Forever 21. I love this shop, and I think this is my second time going into it because they don't have one near me. Like, the nearest one for me is probably London, and I live like ages away from London. So yeah, I was really excited when I got into this shop. And they had a massive sale. So basically they had like loads of things in the sale, and then on top of the sale it was buy one get one free. So you basically got 2 things to the price of 1, but like you paid the sale price for the 1 thing, so like it was so cheap. So the first thing which I got is this top, and it's like a white off the shoulder crop top. Like basically all around the edges it's got this like lettuce hem, I think that's what you call it, or ruffles, I don't even know. But yeah, it's a really cute top, and this was only £3, which I thought was a really good price, as normally it is £7, so I got £4 off, which is pretty decent. Yeah, I just thought this was a really nice summer top with some denim shorts or jeans, and yeah, really cute. And I decided to take advantage of the offer and get another top. I would get one for free, so Mum actually picked this out and said that she liked it. I tried it on and it looked really cute. And it's this little blue crop top, and I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like normal up till here, and then it like flares out, and yeah, I think it's really cute, and it looks so nice with grey jeans, anything really, like white shorts maybe. But I just really like the design of it. It's really pretty, and I love the colour of it. It's a nice kind of bluey purpley colour. This top used to be £11, but I got it in the sale for £5. And I got both of these tops for £5 because it was buy one get one free, so I thought that was an amazing deal, so I had to pick them up. And then I also decided to pick up some socks, because Forever 21 socks are the cutest. Like, the ankle socks are so cute. So I just got these ones, and they're little donuts, and I think they're really cute, and I'll definitely wear them a lot. And these were £1.50, which is pretty good. I mean, you only get 1 pair, but they're cute, so I'm not complaining. So that is everything which I bought from Forever 21. I really wish I had a Forever 21 near me. The second to last shop which I bought stuff in from London was Harvey Nichols, and I don't know, I went into Phoenix and I couldn't really find any makeup things that I wanted, because I wanted to purchase one makeup item. Found something from Fenty Beauty, and I'm pretty sure you can only buy Fenty Beauty in Harvey Nichols. So I took advantage of that, and I bought a Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. It's just a lip gloss, and it was £16, which I didn't think was awfully expensive. Like, it's still quite a lot for a lip gloss, but like, I don't know, I thought it would be like £20 or something like that. But yeah, it looks like this. The packaging is so nice. Excuse the window reflection on it, but I believe it only comes in 1 colour, which is this really nice like nude. And yeah, it's just a really wearable colour, and you can wear it over the top of lipsticks or just by itself. It's just such a pretty colour, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of it, because I have a lot of pink lip glosses, but I don't have a like brown one, so I cannot wait to wear this. That is what I got in Harvey Nichols. My bag is actually broken, which is a bit sad, but... And the last thing which I actually bought in London was from Brandy Melville, and basically again we don't have a Brandy Melville near me. I think my nearest one probably is London as well, which is still like really far away and I don't go much, so I decided to pick something up. So I got this little crop top, and it says London on it, and I got it as kind of like a little souvenir because there were so many cute things in Brandy Melville, but I just couldn't decide what to buy because I had a lot of similar stuff at home, so I thought I'd pick something up that I don't have. And this says London on it, so it's more of a souvenir as well. And this was £13, which is quite expensive for like what it is, because it's just a basic like crop top, but it's quite a nice material, it's quite thick. Which will be good for autumn time with like a coat on top, and yeah, I just really like it. It's really cute, and that is everything that I actually bought in London. But I thought I'd actually show you a couple of things which I bought before London, like a few weeks before. So the first thing which I bought recently is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray. I wanted this for ages, like I've seen so many people use it in makeup tutorials. I finally decided to pick it up. I got it in duty free though. It just keeps my makeup set into place all day. It's really nice. I don't like the smell of it, but you know, what can I do? I think this was about £20. I mean, it's quite expensive, but it's an alright price for a setting spray. And I got like some discount off because it was in duty free. The next thing I've bought recently is a makeup bag, and this is from the brand Skinny Dip. It's got these little like dogs on them. I don't really know what they are, but it was in the sale for £6, reduced from 14, so I thought I could use it as a makeup bag. And yeah, it's quite big and spacious inside, and I've always wanted a Skinny Dip makeup bag, so I thought I'd pick one up in this sale. I don't really know if I like it that much, but okay, so I'm going to move on to what I bought in Boots the other day. So the first thing which I got is from Garnier, and it is the Garnier Skin Active BB cream. I basically use this for school every day, and I had it last year, and it's really nice because it's not too heavy on my skin, but it really evens out my skin tone and gives me a nice amount of coverage, and it's like the perfect colour for me at the moment, as I'm like fairly tanned. You can't really see, it's mainly my legs that I tanned. It's in the shade Light, but it is quite orangey, but it suits my colour at the moment, and it was only £5.99. Also in Boots I picked up two things from Maybelline because it was 2 for £12. So the first thing which I picked up was a waterproof mascara because I needed one for my water sports holiday with school. It was £8.99, but I got two things for £12 instead. And Maybelline's a really good brand for mascaras, and I thought it looked really cool, and I love the colour of it. In the offer I also got the Maybelline Tattoo Brow, as this is normally £12.99, but I got it for £6. They basically like tint your eyebrows, and I got it in medium brown because when I get my eyebrows tinted at a beautician's I get them like medium brown. So I thought I'd get this one in medium brown, and it looks really good, so I cannot wait to try this out. I've already used this. And then the last thing in this haul is something from IKEA, and I got this plant. I basically bought this separate to this. I think this was like £1.50 and this was like £2.50 or something. I thought this would look really nice in my room, and I wanted to add some more greenery because my room's quite like pastel pink and stuff, and I wanted some colour, so pick this up. It looks nice on my chest of drawers over there. I might do a room tour soon, but I'm not sure because it hasn't changed that much since my last one. That's basically all the things that I've bought over the past 2 weeks. I bought some clothes and stuff, but I didn't want to make it too long, so I'm going to finish it here. So I really hope that you guys did enjoy the video. Give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye!